Zidane lihat seorang ya. Zidane. ₹10. Right, Nidai. Come on, guys. Come on, let me show you. Tommy. Tommy. Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today. Wait, wait. Đầm riang Pak Chiên, but to learn. Oh, sorry. So I'm almost done. I'm done with my makeup. Dengan pong so kanika. Ayun na. Yeah, it's done. It is done. So today we're gonna be going to Malaysia Byrnihat. Byrnihat. Sinjang mama. Okay. And I'm almost done wearing these earrings. See, I have no time to keep the camera stick, guys, so I'm just gonna keep keeping it here. Okay, so I'm done. That's what it is. Stuffs. I'm done keeping my makeup. My earrings, moisturizer. Forgot to wear my watch. Well, there's no battery, but I'm just gonna wear it. I don't care. Ni tay pengal adap keret na dum tay pang patulun padap. Here, let's keep this side, and you can see my favorite. This one too. It's my perfume, Bombay. Oh, I believe I can fly. This goes to my back. You can see I kept this teddy bear. It's good, so cute. Okay. And all my necklaces, my pendants. Just kept. You can see kadulingan jing pra. Ada pun bek kata prab yang hiping abu dumbbell ni. You can see the dumbbell. You can see my cupboard. If you want to see what's inside my cupboard, you can comment. I will show you in another video. I'll make a vlog. Just gonna get busy. Guys, ngalak than ada stuff. Mereka blur. Ngalak connect. I'm ready. So let me show your outfit. Fit outfit jangan. Mentah dari isap di porlo era. Dan mentah ngin yami no belet cha Byrnihat. Cari mama. Nanti ke gitar. Bye gitar. Tak ada mi nak. Siap nak kata lah. Nice ni mo yami no. So it's kat no baje ngam tip ama phang baje ta ngam tip kat no baje. So we're here in PV. Ni lah concert. Concerting.
Many months later.
Yeah, at Byrnihat. We're back. Ay, lapang kecap. Janji pavan. Yes, nak cakap jing roar. Jaden.
Mana bawan?
Wait. Pikachu. Hello, Pikachu. Hey, Pikachu. Here you. Bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Oh. Oh, yeah, duduk. Introduce. No. Hi. The viral girl. What is that? Yeah. Okay. Nak kay PS5. Nak kay PS5. Yay. Yay, guys. Yay. Good job. Kong nak kat PS5. Oh. Okay. Bên hàng này đang là cái GTA. Là bên nhau đang là cái GTA. Bên hàng này pa đang ya dish. Mom? 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 Mom, siya no? Siya no, mama? Siya no? Siya no? Ama, kakamat, sini, kakamat. Mama, siya no? Siya no? Siya no? Hey, tiba GTA te. Oi, kakamat, sini, kakamat. Shake mud, where's your nose? Fish curry, rice, and shrimp, yam, and some chutney. Happy meal. Kumna kung sana production guys, mila kitia, ladap say kamat, fresh. Dear, you made it shana. Coffee. Breakfast time should. Breakfast time we're having breakfast. Suji, coffee. Kadang di shell. We're having suji. Guys, page ni siya Byrnihat. You can see the view here. So guys, we're gonna be going to the market to buy, I don't know, to buy stuffs. We're gonna siya market Byrnihat, right? And yes, so you can see it's so refreshing out here. Kalau shit long pangat ha. Kawan auto ngin light no. Din kuai na din yung kita ya dulu. You can see these plants.
Hello guys, you can see we are in Byrnihat, the most polluted area. Not Meghalaya side, it's in Assam side, the most polluted. That's cement factory. Most probably dismantled. Partially.
This one?
You can see Kerala Hotel in Assam, TVS showroom in Assam, cement factory already dismantled partially.
So guys, I'm here with Playo, ready for shopping. Some chur. Sabzi. Slajur. 10 rupees.
Right today.
Kayak gini?
Water spinach.
Water spinach guys. 10 rupees. 10 rupiah. 10 rupees ka. You got water spinach. Actually water spinach. So this is how Byrnihat market looks like. Oh my god. Mas guys, machali. They're dead. This is lal sabzi, red sabzi guys. Red chur. That's dhania. I don't know. Guys, can you stock here like 4 kilo? You got cucumber 30 per kg.
Ini si kan? Silong kumno, klan. Doni, kanunel si kilo? Like 4 kilo, pe jeng trim kasi.
Bayong. Alkoshi bawah. We got for 20 per. Hani dah yang party. Election.
Market.
Meat masala, chicken masala. Weh. सुबह जलेबियाँ
हेलो गाइस
ayo game tu itu. As you can see, so chicks, my cheeks are all red. It's so hot. Seriously very hot. Mama dah tidur. She's buying meat. We are waiting for him to come back. Kalau shit hop so guys.
कितना किलो?
Okay.
300. Wow.
Laram sini. Coconut water, guys, is spa. Oh wait, that coconut water you see there? It's 100. Samya pete.
हम नहीं खाता कामों
Ada one shopping. Penny dang yang hadu mentah. Hadu mentah dang yang penny. Ngipe dia fit na kamera mana filak kai. Filak kum ni. Filak kum ni. Filak kai you?
Pedih.
Kayak gitu. GTA.
Yap. Ni asal simnya kemudian bola.
Tangin ya lum tiar Isha. Maggie. Masyad mama Maggie yang ada besar ke selir belang. So let's eat Maggie. Pete. Coco melon paglu.
भी मैरिनेट कैसा करेगा इसको आप कर देगा
Zayden.
Oi bro.
Oi. Zayden, hello. 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 Zayden. Hello. Hello, light. Hello. Hello. Betul. Hello.
chopstick
Sabah Maggie feed aku tu siapa? Itu. Kayak gitu kongkong. Senir belang em. Noodles mama. Samyang noodles. Tu pat ue itu tawal jo mama. ये क्या है? इतना murder weapon. That is longer than your height.
देखो guys, I can murder somebody.
यहाँ में किसका सैयारा चल रहा है? सैयारा वे सैयारा. Don't let sana ong dialogue jumpi. That one, that we all, that me and Coco and Sarika know. That dialogue. Sure. It's not. Wow. Bab Edmund. Mana Hanky nak? Say hi to the camera. Your slippers. Auntie slippers. Hi Vicky. Hi.
No, we want.
Hi. Secret Pies my channel. Secret Pies.
Bye bye. Bye.
Penny. Hey Blue. P. Babloos. 100. नी
भीख मिल गया भीख 500 रुपया
Penny.
50 है
बात कब तो
money
Gen Z.
money
These guys are flexing. You can see my money.
till 5 more days you'll get
Sana fi mushal pani puri na nak
Susah jadi kuat nak jane.
Kasi Penny kajer bhabri mafi.
oh are you recording oh shit
Pani puri.
देखो मेरा बाल I can get
Lah.
didn't get bro that's a bad luck
did you watch
He doesn't watch any K-drama.
Section is not a K-drama.
That's a P-drama.
I like Yuri. We are almost the same. Like we have the same
I like
personality.
I'll show you my watch profile. I literally have Rabin's Angelus face out here. Monkey in Jason. Let's go. We finished to pack pani puri for our uncle. Let's go. बुलबुले सुपर ट्रेन के ऊपर नहीं, बुलबुले सुपर जेसन के ऊपर.
No, on here.
You know you love me. I know you care. Show whenever. And I'll be there.
You are my love. You are my heart. And you can never ever be apart.
Getting scolded, he's having fun. Why not sit in front?
Wala kay PS5 lain, man kay PS5 katusan. Ya. Beli benar dekat pat pendig ya Kong.
Hello. Ay, papili lami. Bata. Lami bata. Xong biết cũng chưa? Right? The wheels on your bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Sie den Fang, ne? You just wanna
Good girls like to party, like to band.
Mama don't stop napkin.
What is this? It's a chicken.
Don't pun stop napkin. Ni kita surah. Ni. Here my rap guys. Jadi. Guys, semua dia shut. Alah. Kisha. Hi. The back. Ani tak awak. You can see. What game can I do? Bye guys. Hi ladies. Not episode. Bye guys. Hi ladies. Guys, lah thek kadut. Tutorial kum na bencet sah. Fam duduk. Tinggal ada tab slasher kadut hang ni. Nah, ada tab lepas slasher nak duduk mana. So guys, you can see kan compare nak ke gas mah. Sedap ginger right? Ladung ginger. Ginger.
You're all Jenny.
You washing burtan and this
Ginger. Ayah mau tunggu mulu sama mana? I love tunggu mulu.
oh Gen Z zamana.
Starbucks वाला जमाना.
लोग कैसे काम करते हैं चलिए दिखाते हैं.
एक बर्तन धो रहा है और
एक को देखो चाकू कैसा पकड़ रहा है जिंदगी में आज तक चाकू. और दूसरा तो ऐसा चाकू पकड़ रहा है जैसा कि अभी मच्छी काट के आ रहा है. बोले हम तो भाई लाजन को.
Tutorial बन सकती है. खत्म. छोड़ना. Tutorial बन सकती है.
समझा सुने जैसा.
हाँ
समझा सुने.
You can see my legs. See?
शिवम ने
You
बोली.
can see my legs.
हाँ
हाँ
बोली.
tutorial banba watermelon guys. Enggak ada.
Like that guys.
Tutorial apa bam?
mencium nang re.
इतना देर बाहर में है घर में कौन है हाँ? Nice.
Wow, this is nice.
हम देखो ना गाइस मेरा फीवर है लेकिन फिर भी हम हंसता है गाइस देखो ना गाइस oh पात दिया
Laksem guys.
धमाका 7 करोड़
Pidana din.
घर पे उतर गया
Shad halfway. Here we have this chicken barbecue. Grill. 360 video inside the oven. Ni pedam. Ano? Wow. Bami. Kaca suka cawal. What are you eating? We have. Jangan lupa ni. Acha. We have salad. We done sneer blanc. Guys, macam ni and see the pieces. Towel put mama menel. Got chicken, rose, nimbu, lemon, salad and rice. Mom.
Guys, her name is Suka Sawal and comment Suka Sawal.
Rasa komen suka cawal mah. Nam komen rata. Comment. Guys, I just ate dinner and here Splits Villa going. Splits Villa Paglu. Oh, so cute. I didn't know she was so cute. Listen no te. Piti listen.
क्योंकि हम लोग तो खाली हम लोग के हिसाब से बनाया था फिर भी लाता
Sit down.
A few inches later.
Start penipit dan start lambat kafan penmelat right ya right ya sih aduh guys ni mentang ini emi belajar guwahati sana layo ikang mah Sophie Timay nga Sophia kopi nala guys itu dan itu nala helicopter merah helicopter. Bye. There are two. There's the red one. So we're just done coming from the hospital. We need to complete it again for some more videos because guys ngala abu we guys ngala nang kidit tiap nar nga mawan guys iwa kabay kamchat kawawan sa hospital ibay kabay nga kamchat tingiwan sa hospital subig guys lahe pala din no guys pampapam how are you feeling trying guava ngamti pala demen tayo kita kat iyo guava amrut ngamoy man ito di pomegranate
Ngawan bam last time em kabang.
Em di
It's really
avocado.
tasty.
Sop piang guys, sop piang. Zucchini. Okay, di sop meleng. Sop meleng.
Amla.
Sop meleng guys.
Amla. Ni ima pathak. I'm just gonna mix it. Shake it, shake it.
Total horror guys, total horror.
दीजिए ना सिर्फ ये मिर्चा दीजिए और नमक
Yeah.
सिर्फ 50 का ना
हम लोग
Looks so tasty.
नया फ्राई सॉल्ट. Very perfect banget.
Mango. Filled in with guava. Bang.
So we're here at the mall guys.
Hi, Sammy. We're done with the checking. Sana. 0.5. What the? Go. I smell your perfume. Don't. I have to show you something. What? Very important. Let me show you. Jungkook. तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा. अरे हेडलेस पीपल. सर कटे का सर कटा हुआ है. So we're gonna be heading out. Yes, I made a reel guys. Behind was Jungkook, BTS member. Guys, I'm so happy. Aku fried rice. Huh? Guys, I chose this for my.
Guys, I want this Barbie.
I wanted Chumka since when I'm going to record my
I
stuff.
want this
Didn't.
Barbie.
I like this phone charm too. I have to buy for my friend. Her birthday is coming. I don't know what to buy for her.
Tidak kan ya? Labian ni kira ada.
I like this nose का. दीदी ये सिल्वर में नहीं होगा. सिल्वर में ये. सिल्वर में चाहिए.
कितना ये?
Okay.
ये 80 का है.
80 का.
Nailang bara.
Quinta.
हम बोल रहे थे.
सब 80 है एक का 80.
Baro 80.
I want
50, 50, 100. 100. ये इसका कितना?
fried with the sabzi. Yeah, like kulfi. Samir, show what you got. Sunfest movie festival. Hi. Just like compra. Fuser badam. Done. Milk bread. It's long milk bread itu tu ni. Cium dah kan ya? Kan ya? Kan ya pecah.
Itu ke?
Ah.
A few moments later.
Lah hati. Alu. Suka sawo.
Alu.
Look down.
What are you playing?
Five.
GA.
Dog here.
GA5.
Yes, man.
What's GA5? Isn't it GTA?
Nah, UEFA.
Tasky mama.
Chili chicken.
So nice. You can see chicken. Hadap sedih. Chicken.
And then chili sauce.
Dala.
Chili sauce.
Lạ sao mà. Nah, ibang ni taruh.
Running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived.
Mana? Boleh kalau dulu. Mana? Peti mana? Mana?
Muy nadie hay que tener.
Oh, ada pet nggak kan ya?
Get right back like a flag of fall. I know you got it. Saying I'm good in love.
Hey, Nabi.
Peti. Oh.
हाँ, सब लोग शमशेर भागने गए.
Yes, Eden sana. Chili chicken and fried rice made by Madhu.
What Madhu? DJ
DJ Zanik. Mama DJ Zanik. Ito.
Asking for something.
Uy.
I bobo. I bobo. I bobo. I bobo. Bobo mean you. Kaom.
Wawa. Ay wawa ya si Eden.
Let's
I bobo. Bobo.
Wawa. Uy. Pet si Eden.
Pudding, huh?
That pudding.
Oh, lagi TV.
Pet pudding. Bread pudding. Wow. Mama, mama, mama. Ya, biar aku lihat. See?
Crispy bread.
Wow. Pengen deh.
Whose birthday it is?
भी क्या में देगा? I कोई का प्लान इतनी दो इसको ना फिकोस में आपको एक साथ दे. Bang sure. That can.
Tell I back in. Back in.
Bang. Mama, mama.
Ngày long cheese cake. Đấy.
Bang.
Nào khi đặt băng thấy đây.
Ini.
2, 3, 4, 5 ना.
Beli film sa portable. Let's try the pudding. Bread pudding macam mana? Creamy bhau. Very tasty. See? Bangang.
ये देख स्नेहा उसमें शॉप में. कैसा? चलो.
Bodoh conjuring tertentu. Hilang.
Bas.
Bentar, baru nak kesut.
ये भाई शॉप स्किप कर.
Madep ke ad. Madep ke ad salong.
Heiß nicht da. Where are you? Uncle जी आ जाओ. तो लाशा खा.
Behind you, behind you. Behind you, you missed it.
Glowing white light. It will protect you.
Piştin.
Tuh, picture. Showing to ya. आया अभी देखो तो तुम्हें.
I sit. Party time. See now.
Mati.
Mata. Mati. Papa. Mati. Alright. Mati. Matas. Machos. What's up? Home day. What's up? Bishan. Concert, guys. Live concert.
70%.
Lapas.
Nafi. Nice.
16.
Heading back to Shillong. You can see stuffs all around. Hi, Aaron. It's early morning. So guys, I'm here in Shillong and yes, I'm going back. I'm almost reaching my home and some outfits. It's pretty cold out here. It was raining throughout in Byrnihat and I think it rained even here, Now it stopped. It's really cold out here. So guys, I am ready and so I'm gonna be ending the vlog here with a like a vlog and to know where I am going, stay tuned for the next vlog. I'll be showing you guys where I'm going, and till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.